Ever pondered on the mystery of an empty structure dancing to the rhythm of African beats? Delve with us into the enigma of Zangbeto, a captivating spectacle that has its roots in the Yoruba religion of Benin and Togo. Not just a dance, but a tradition, a ritual, a form of expression. Zangbeto is more than a performance. It is a symbol, a guardian of the night, representing the Voodoo faith's enduring hold on these West African cultures. Imagine, if you will, a haystack. But this isn't your typical haystack. Picture it taller, broader, and draped in colorful cloth. It's a towering figure, moving and gyrating, spinning and leaping to the pulsating rhythm of the drums. But where's the person beneath the costume, you might ask? Here's where the mystery begins. The Zangbeto dance is unique in its presentation. The dancers, hidden within these haystack-like structures, are not visible to the naked eye. It almost seems as if the structures themselves are alive, animated by some unseen force. The very essence of this dance lies in the illusion of an empty structure, making it one of the most intriguing traditional dances in the world. But how does it work? How do these structures dance without any apparent human assistance? The answer lies in the mastery of the Zangbeto dancers. They are not just performers, they are skilled artisans who have honed their craft through years of dedication and practice. They are the unseen spirits that breathe life into the Zangbeto. This dance isn't just for entertainment, it serves a purpose. It tells a story, a narrative of faith, of tradition, of a culture that refuses to fade into the background. It's a mesmerizing testament to the power of belief, to the strength of community, and to the enduring allure of the ancient. So what makes these empty structures dance with such fervor and spirit? Let us unravel the mystery together. Did you know that the Zangbeto dance dates back centuries, deeply rooted in the rich African culture? The Zangbeto dance isn't just a captivating spectacle, it's a living testament to the wisdom and creativity of our ancestors. Born in the heartland of the Yoruba people, this dance has been a pillar of our community for countless generations. It's a dance that tells a story of our people, our beliefs, and our traditions. Now let's take a step back in time. Picture a world before the hustle and bustle of modern life, a world where community was everything. In this world, the Zangbeto dance was more than just a performance. It was a vital part of the social fabric. This dance served as a form of community policing, a way to maintain order and harmony before the advent of modern law enforcement. The Zangbeto, or night guards as they were known, were revered and respected, their dance a symbol of authority and protection. But the Zangbeto dance was also deeply intertwined with the spiritual beliefs of the Yoruba people. It played a significant role in the Yoruba religion, a faith that places a strong emphasis on the connection between the physical and spiritual worlds. The Zangbeto dancers, with their awe-inspiring costumes and mesmerizing movements, were seen as a bridge between these two realms. Their performance a sacred ritual that brought the community closer to the divine. Over the centuries, the Zangbeto dance has evolved, adapting to the changing times while preserving its core essence. It's a dance that has survived wars, colonization, and cultural shifts. Its resilience a testament to the enduring strength of our African heritage. Today, the Zangbeto dance continues to captivate audiences worldwide. Its unique blend of rhythm, movement, and spirituality, a powerful reminder of our shared human history. It's a dance that transcends borders and breaks down barriers, a dance that speaks to the heart of what it means to be human. The Zangbeto dance has remained a fascinating spectacle, a testament to the enduring power of cultural traditions. Zangbeto isn't just a dance, it's a vibrant expression of culture, unity, and spiritual beliefs. Diving deeper into the cultural significance of Zangbeto, we find a dance that is more than just rhythmic movements and energetic beats. It is a living, breathing embodiment of a community's shared identity, a testament to their unity and cohesion. This dance isn't performed in isolation, but rather, it is a collective effort. A communal act of celebration where every shuffle, every twirl, every leap carries with it the weight of a shared history and collective identity. But the Zangbeto dance isn't just about unity, it's also a powerful tool for maintaining peace. The Zangbeto, the spiritual guardians of the night, are believed to ward off evil spirits and uphold societal order. Through their dance, the Zangbeto serve as an unspoken reminder of the importance of harmony and order in the community, a symbol of the collective commitment to peace. The dance also holds deep spiritual implications in the Yoruba religion. The Zangbeto are considered the messengers of the gods, their dance a form of communication between the earthly realm and the spiritual world. Each step, each rhythm, each movement is a word in a divine language, a prayer expressed through the language of dance. And let's not forget the costumes. The towering, twirling, haystack-like structure is more than just a visual spectacle. Every detail, from the grassy exterior to the intricate masks, is steeped in symbolism. They represent the connection between humans and nature, between the physical and the spiritual, between the community and its shared beliefs. So when we look at the Zangbeto dance, we're not just looking at a dance. We're looking at a vibrant tapestry of culture, a living testament to a community's unity, a symbolic representation of their spiritual beliefs, and a powerful tool for maintaining peace and order.